So what does delivered means on Snapchat? So if you guys are trying to find the answer of this question, then you guys are at the right video. Because in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys what does delivered means on Snapchat. But before I tell you guys what it means, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you guys skip, then you guys might get confused on what does delivered mean on Snapchat. So without any further ado, I'm gonna start explaining what does delivered means on Snapchat. So as you guys can see on my screen, it shows delivered over here. So what basically delivered means is, like, if you send a snap to a person and the snap has been sent to the person, but the person hasn't seen the snap because he's busy or he's offline, then that's basically what delivered means on Snapchat. So the message has been sent to the person, but the person hasn't opened Snapchat and viewed your message. That's why it's saying delivered. Top of this delivered, you guys can see the opened over here. That means that I have sent him snap and he has seen my snap. That means it's gonna show opened over here. So that's basically what this is over here for. So if you see delivered, that means your message has been sent but the person hasn't seen it. And if it shows open, that means a message has been sent and the person has opened it and viewed it. So that's basically what delivered means on Snapchat. So if you guys found this info helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe with notification on. And if you guys have any question related with this video, drop it down in the comment. We'll answer you guys and help you get rid of that problem and question. And you can comment down below what type of video we should make next as well. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.